All right, we have a 1969 Plymouth Barracuda. Get a good side shot of it here in a minute. It's got a 340 in, I believe. Let's see what else. Oh, he's got. See, the Barracuda. A lot of people go for the 70, but what you need to do in the back to make the 69, and he did it, is you got to fill out those wheel wells, because they got the cool fastback design and everything, but with the stock tires and the differential is kind of like thinner, like not thinner, I mean more narrow. When you have the stock tires on it, this car doesn't look good, but when you put the bigger tires on it, when it fills up the wheel wells, it makes this car like totally different, because it brings out like the width and fills up the wheel wells in the back. They should have done this from the factory, because they would have sold a gazillion more of them, but they totally redesigned them in '69. But this was like basically the European styling. But you see, when you put the bigger wheels on it, it really brings out that European styling. This thing is super sweet. And I think at the time that was like one of the biggest pieces of automotive glass around. I mean, today some of these SUV minivans and stuff, and aftermarket luxury SUVs probably have glass about that size, but that's a very big piece of glass. You can see the Barracuda symbol right there. And it's, you know, red line tires was big back in the day. Looks great with the pinstriping, and it's cool that you got like the Z in there. Take a look on the inside. You got a 4-speed or shifter. You can see the shifters moved in. You know, the actual shift arm is moved in towards you. 150 mile an hour speedometer, I believe that is, yeah. Nice gauge package, nice interior, blue and white aftermarket seats. So, very sweet.